It's second lecture of SolidWorks drawings module. In that lecture I will teach you about importing model, placing projected views, drawing view properties, and alignment of the projected views. First of all, I will tell you about importing model in SolidWorks. We always need a 3D model so that we can get the projected views of it. So there are two methods to import 3D model in drawing module. First one is from view palette. Just click on browse and select your 3D model from where you save. So in that way you can import model and get view different views in your view palette. And second method to import model is that just open the 3D model in part module and from file select make drawing from part option. Now your model drawing module is open, but here you have to browse your custom drawing template first. So just choose your template and click on OK. So look, our drawing format is imported successfully, and along with that you can also see projected views in view palette. So that are the two methods to import model in drawing module. Now we will discuss about how to place views in drawing sheet from view palette. For that purpose, just drag front view from the palette and drop it on your screen like that. Now our projected view is placed successfully. Now when we click on that view, we will get its properties in our left side. In view properties we have display style. First of all, first we have wireframe mode. We don't use it in drafting. After that we have hidden lines visible option. We use that option sometimes, but we more likely to use hidden lines removed option and shaded with edges options. Sometimes we have to show hidden lines, but we always try to use section view instead of using hidden lines. So in coming lecture I will teach you about the section view. So we will use that three options. Now the next option is of scale factor. Let use sheet scale, which we set right here. That scale is applied on our projected view on a default basis. If we want to change the view scale, then we have to change the sheet scale from here. But with the help of custom scale option, we can also adjust the scale of our projected view. But if you not found your desired scale factor from that drop down options, then you can use model text scale. Now from here you can adjust the scale using text. After that we have here a option dimension tab. We always set it to projected, and about cosmetic thread we always set it to draft quality. In coming lecture I will tell you about cosmetic threads. Now we will discuss about projected view. For model view option we don't need it for now because we already placed here our first view. So if we want to take another projected view from that view, then we will use projected view option. For making another view, just select that view and select projected view command, and according to your desired alignment click on sheet to place another view from different direction. And now press escape and again select projected view command and again place another view using that view. So in that way we can draw different view from projection of already drawn views. So that was a simplest method to draw projected view. So look, I can only move that model in the left and uh, right direction, but I cannot move in up and down direction. Sometimes we need to move the model in somewhere on drawing sheet. So for that we just have to break the alignment of that view. Just click on right view uh, and select break alignment option. Now you can move your model anywhere you want to drawing on your on drawing sheet. In the next lecture I will tell you about auxiliary views and different types of views. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe my channel.